Hello and welcome. If you're here, that probably means you either like, own or are planning to get a dog. And if that's the case, you're in the right spot. Let's get started. My name is Jasper from Kino World, and together with my dog Ethos, I'm here to help you with training videos, tips and tricks, dog facts and everything else related to man's best friend. Here at Kino World, we train in a positive way, so nothing like harsh punishment or prong collars. All we care about are these. We hope we can help you with your training, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us by email or try our social medias down below. Good luck with your trainings, and I'll see you in the next video.